Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll all the way down and tap on system. Then select languages and input, on-screen keyboard and keyboard. Over here you need to tap on theme and click on show more to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can pick one of those images by tapping on the chosen one, click on the switcher next to gray borders to enable or disable them and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!